Greetings, gals and guys, and welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we're diving into 13 out-of-the-ordinary things in your home that you might not think to clean, and the absolute best ways to clean them. These are the unsung heroes of our homes, working diligently behind the scenes. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a cleaning tip. The remote control, a constant companion for movie nights, news updates, and adjusting the thermostat. But have you ever stopped to consider the journey of your fingertips? The oils, the dust, the crumbs, they all find a home on these frequently touched surfaces. Not to worry, a simple disinfectant wipe can make all the difference. Gently but thoroughly wipe down the entire surface of the remote, paying close attention to the spaces between the buttons. Remember, even the smallest items deserve our care. And a clean remote? Well, that's just good channel surfing etiquette. Our leafy companions bring life and vibrancy into our homes, purifying the air and adding a touch of nature's tranquility. Dust and debris can accumulate on their leaves, hindering their ability to absorb sunlight and thrive. Taking a moment to gently wipe down their leaves with a damp cloth not only removes these unwanted guests, but also allows you to connect with your plants on a deeper level. Feel the texture of their leaves, observe their vibrant colors, and appreciate the tranquility they bring to your space. Remember, a clean plant is a happy plant, radiating joy and vitality throughout your space. We often take for granted the simple act of flicking a switch, illuminating our homes with ease. But these humble fixtures, touched countless times each day, can harbor a surprising amount of dirt and germs. A soft cloth dampened with a mild cleaner is all it takes to banish fingerprints, smudges, and unseen invaders. A clean light switch, though seemingly insignificant, can contribute to a sense of overall order and well-being in your space. Remember, even the smallest acts of cleaning can have a ripple effect, transforming your home into a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Our shower curtains stand as valiant protectors, shielding our bathrooms from splashes and sprays. Yet this constant exposure to moisture can lead to a buildup of mildew, soap scum, and other unwelcome guests. Most shower curtains can be tossed right into the washing machine. Add a touch of vinegar to the wash cycle for its natural cleaning power, leaving your curtains fresh and revitalized. As the washing machine hums, imagine those lingering traces of soap scum and mildew disappearing, replaced by the scent of cleanliness. Remember, a clean and sparkling shower curtain sets the stage for a spa-like experience, bringing a sense of rejuvenation and joy to your daily routine. What about the ceiling fan? Often overlooked, yet always there, diligently circulating air throughout our homes. But have you taken a moment to look up lately? If so, you might be greeted by a colony of dust bunnies clinging precariously to the blades. Fear not, for we shall conquer these dust bunnies with a simple yet effective tool, the pillowcase. Simply slip a pillowcase over each blade, gently wiping away the accumulated dust. The pillowcase traps the dust, preventing it from raining down upon you. The air feels lighter, fresher, and the gentle hum of the fan seems to whisper a thank you for your care. Remember, a clean ceiling fan not only improves the air quality in your home, but also eliminates those pesky dust bunnies, bringing a sense of peace and order to your space. Our reusable grocery bags, those trusty companions on our shopping adventures, deserve a moment in the cleaning spotlight. These eco-warriors, diligently carrying our groceries week after week, can harbor hidden grime and bacteria. Most reusable bags can be turned inside out and tossed right into the washing machine. As the cycle spins, imagine those lingering traces of grocery spills and everyday grime disappearing, replaced by the fresh scent of laundry detergent. A clean bag is ready to carry not only your groceries but also your commitment to a healthier planet. Remember, by keeping our reusable bags clean, we extend their lifespan and reduce our environmental impact, sparking joy with every sustainable shopping trip. Our toothbrushes, those trusty guardians of our pearly whites, deserve a clean and hygienic home. Yet toothbrush holders, often tucked away in damp and humid environments, can become breeding grounds for bacteria and grime. Fill a basin with warm water and add a splash of hydrogen peroxide. Let your toothbrush holder soak for a while, allowing the hydrogen peroxide to work its magic, breaking down any stubborn buildup. Remember, a clean toothbrush holder contributes to a healthier oral care routine, bringing a sense of peace and well-being to your bathroom. Our washing machines, those workhorses of cleanliness, deserve a little TLC themselves. Over time, detergent residue, lint, and even hard water deposits can build up, hindering their performance and leaving behind unwanted odors. Run an empty cycle with hot water and a cup of vinegar. The hot water helps loosen any buildup, while the vinegar acts as a natural deodorizer and cleaning agent. Remember, a clean washing machine means cleaner clothes and a more efficient cleaning experience, sparking joy with every load of laundry. Our dishwashers, those tireless kitchen companions, deserve a little spa treatment of their own. Over time, food particles, grease, and mineral deposits can accumulate, leading to unpleasant odors and reduced cleaning power. Place a cup of vinegar in a dishwasher-safe container on the top rack and run a hot water cycle. The vinegar works its magic, breaking down buildup and neutralizing odors, leaving your dishwasher sparkling clean and smelling fresh. Remember, a clean dishwasher means sparkling dishes and a more hygienic kitchen environment, bringing a sense of joy and satisfaction to every meal. Our trash cans, those unsung heroes of waste management, deserve a little extra attention in the cleaning department. These hardworking receptacles can harbor lingering odors and stubborn stains, but fear not, for banishing them is a breeze. Sprinkle baking soda generously into the bottom of your empty trash can. Add a small amount of water to create a paste, then use a scrub brush to work the paste into any stains or particularly odorous areas. Rinse thoroughly and allow to dry completely. Remember, a clean trash can contributes to a fresher and more hygienic home environment, sparking joy even in the most unexpected places. Our blinds, those silent guardians against the sun's glare, often stand guard, collecting dust and allergens without complaint. But just like any other surface in our homes, they deserve a little TLC to keep them looking their best. A simple microfiber cloth, or even a clean sock worn over your hand, can work wonders. Gently wipe down each slat, removing dust and cobwebs. For stubborn stains, a damp cloth with a mild cleaning solution can be used sparingly. Clean blinds not only enhance the beauty of your windows, but also improve the air quality in your home by removing dust and allergens. Remember, taking the time to care for even the most overlooked areas of our homes, like our blinds, can bring a sense of peace and order to our surroundings, sparking joy with every ray of sunshine that brightens our day. Our keyboards, those faithful companions in the digital age, bear witness to our every thought, email, and online adventure. But amidst the flurry of keystrokes, crumbs, dust, and other unwelcome guests can take up residence between the keys. A can of compressed air directed between the keys can work wonders in evicting those pesky crumbs and dust bunnies. For a more thorough clean, use a disinfectant wipe to gently clean the surface of the keys, banishing germs and leaving behind a sparkling finish. A clean keyboard not only improves the aesthetics of your workspace but also promotes a more hygienic computing experience. Remember, even in the digital realm, cleanliness sparks joy, allowing us to navigate the online world with a sense of peace and order. Our beloved pets bring immeasurable joy into our lives, and their toys, often bearing the brunt of their playful antics, deserve a little extra care to keep them clean and safe. Most pet toys can be safely submerged in water. Fill a basin with warm water and add a small amount of pet-friendly soap. Allow the toys to soak for a while, then scrub gently to remove any dirt or grime. Rinse thoroughly and allow to air dry completely. A clean toy is not only more hygienic for your furry friend, but also helps to prolong its lifespan, ensuring countless more hours of playful joy. Remember, by taking care of our pets' belongings, we show them love and appreciation, creating a happier and healthier environment for both them and us. I hope these simple yet effective cleaning tips inspire you to find joy in caring for every corner of your home. Remember, a clean and organized space can have a profound impact on our well-being, fostering a sense of peace, tranquility, and joy. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.